Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews LinkedIn Learning and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. LinkedIn Learning is an online education platform that offers thousands of professional courses in areas such as business, technology, leadership, and creative skills. The app is designed to help users improve their career prospects, learn new abilities, and stay updated with industry trends. Since it's connected to LinkedIn, the courses you complete can be displayed directly on your professional profile, adding value to your resume. In practice, many users find LinkedIn Learning straightforward and reliable. The platform offers high-quality video courses taught by industry experts, and lessons are usually broken into short segments, making them easy to follow even with a busy schedule. The app also allows offline downloads, so learners can study on the go. Personalized recommendations based on your career interests help guide you toward relevant content. Another strength is the breadth of topics. Whether you're learning coding, project management, leadership strategies, or creative tools like Photoshop, LinkedIn Learning has a wide library. Certificates of completion are also a strong feature as they can be added to your LinkedIn profile with just a few clicks, boosting credibility for job seekers or professionals aiming for promotion. However, there are some downsides. A subscription is required to access most content, and while there is a free trial, ongoing costs may not suit everyone. Some users feel that course depth can vary. While many are well structured, others may be too basic for advanced learners. Compared to specialized platforms, LinkedIn Learning may lack the level of hands-on practice or interactive exercises that some students want. In summary, LinkedIn Learning is worth considering if you're seeking accessible, career-focused courses with the benefit of LinkedIn integration. It's best suited for professionals who want to enhance their skills and showcase their learning achievements. But if you prefer highly interactive courses or advanced, specialized training, it may not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.